Hey, on timers. Brian here. Hope everybody's having a great day. It's the beginning of the month, and I want to send everybody an email and want to make a little video about filters. And here is where I changed my filter upstairs. Just a standard in the ceiling. Some people change theirs in the wall, but I want to show you guys some different filters right here. A couple of different kinds. This first one here, we call this one better than nothing. All right, you see the light going right through it, though. That means air and dirt and everything else can go right through it, but I guess it's better than nothing. The next one over here is what we call a 1-inch pleated filter. Those are just standard filters you can get at Walmart, Home Depot, Amazon, grocery store. And you want to change those, once a month, whether they're dirty or not. But this filter out here in the end, that's what I want to show you. This thing's pretty cool. I buy these off of Amazon. They're like 35 bucks each. But look at this, look how thick this filter is. And then look at this gasket on it. So it fits up in the hole. It'll go right in there. Let me spin around here again. Goes right in there where the 3-inch filter goes. So I got that filter stuck in there. Actually, there's nothing holding it in place. That's how snug that gasket holds it in place. It's 3 inches, MERV 10 rating. And you should get about 6 months out of that. So you don't have to remember to change your filter every month. And you get a lot better filtration, better indoor air out of that. But just want to share that with you. Hope that's helpful. And make sure you change your filter. Have a great day.